the forest each day lion. He had a jackal as his hunting partner. The lion used to kill the animal, and the jackal fought his share for helping the lion. One day, the lion fell sick. He called the jackal and said, "Dear friend, I am hungry, but I am too sick to hunt. Help me to get some fruit." Finding a donkey, the jackal said, "Hello donkey, sir. The king of the forest wants to make you his minister." The foolish donkey followed his happily. The lion killed the donkey. Feeling pretty, he said to the jackal, "Take care of the donkey. I will return after drinking water."